Okay, we have dug a path for the girls to go outside, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, Luna, you gotta go. Sorry, sweetie, you got no choice. Luna, if you go over there, there's a place to go. You gotta go over there. Go with Luna, or go with Ivy. Go, keep going. There you go. Hey, Ivy. See Mark? Mark's over there.
Hey, Luna.
You gotta go see him. Come on, Luna.
Go. Hey, what you doing, huh?
Go, Ivy, go see him. Go. Go see Mark. Go see Mark.
Bring it first, come on. Come on, girl. Hey, babe. What's up, guys? Hey, what's going on, huh? You like this, don't you, huh? You got the snowplow. Hey. Bring it her. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Ivy.